Hello. I get asked this so much, I'm just going to start doing videos while I do my advertising. This is Mailer Gold. I will have the link below this video. This is like a one-time $23 cost, and you get to send an email out one time every 3 days. This mailer is literally golden. So you can click there and send an email out, or you can click right here. Now, it will tell you if you need to click credits. If you do need to click credits, it's only like 5 websites that you need to click. It'll tell you right in here. I have stuff built up so I don't have to. Okay, so I can click there right now. All right, and I just started sending out my team build with this. Now you have to click here to make sure you get the Mailer Gold Silver and Gold members. Okay, that means the Gold members, I think the Silver members are free. The Gold members are definitely, that's what I am, a Gold member. So we're going to do this. I use ChatGPT for everything. Okay, so if you're not using ChatGPT, you need to go and do a video, do a YouTube search on how to use ChatGPT, or just like I tell it what my pre-built team build is, and then I ask it to write me a thing. Actually, I have these right here. You can just use mine. Okay, so we need to, this does need to do that for the first. Only a few spots left on the waiting list. Urgency is good. It's good to use urgency. Okay, and then we just do this. And I will post these in the Facebook group. And now I'm going to use my pre-built my link right here. Okay, and I take this out. For this mailer, you need to add the link in here. So this is what it says here. If you've been looking for extra income but nothing has worked, you're going to want to move on this quickly. A brand new opportunity just opened and it's already filling faster than expected. And that is the truth. No hype, no guessing, no long explanations. Just real people finally getting the help they've needed. And simple way to get positioned before you spend a dime. But this part is important. It's first come, first added. Once the waiting list closes, it's closed. So to get on the first team of 5, even if you're the 5th person, that's important because then you get to be advertising immediately. Okay. If you want the next place before the group fills, you must move now. Tap here to get onto the waiting list, and then you enter your email. This is the moment, but only if you're real fast. First come, first added. Now we do preview email, and then you can click both links or the first. They're the same link, so we can just click that, and then this comes up here to do a test to make sure the link comes up, and there's the link. Okay, that's the capture page that we're using. It's perfect for Christmas and New Year's. And it's literally, this is a gift. This team build is a gift from God. This is a blessing. So now I check to make sure. Sometimes I forget to do that, and I only send to 1,291 mailer people. That really annoys me when I do that. So then I click send email, and it sends it out now. See, and you'll get the success. The email has been scheduled for this many members. And this mailer, there's nothing like this. And it's only $23 one-time cost. Again, I'll send the link below this. Even if you're not going to join the team build, this will help your advertising. Okie dokie, okie dokie. God bless and have a great day.